So we're gonna have a girls' day.
We are gonna have a girls'
with
day.
all the dogs.
We're gonna
sorry, Buster.
A girls' day without
except
Buster.
for Buster.
Buster's a boy.
Well, we're gonna have a girls' hiking day.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Blue Jay Point today because it's the day before Thanksgiving and we're all off school.
It is.
Wait,
Yeah.
it's the day before Thanksgiving.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's
We
the
need a-
day before Thanksgiving.
Tomorrow, Mom.
Tomorrow's
Tomorrow's the day of eating.
We need
And
to
so-
start.
for the day of
We need to
eating.
start stretching our stomachs so we can fit a lot of food.
Well, no, we're just gonna go hike so we can preemptively use up those calories that we're gonna eat tomorrow.
Yes.
Oh.
I agree.
Okay, and then we'll hike some more after
Lauren,
Thanksgiving.
let's have a calorie off.
See who can eat the most.
Oh gosh,
You're gonna
that's
win.
not a good
I'm
idea.
gonna win 100%.
You don't even have
Well,
to.
I mean,
not a
actually,
good
I guess we'll see.
No, I'll win.
Okay.
I guess we'll see.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I might win.
You're my favorite song.
True.
Okay.
Ow.
All right, hiking, girls' day. Checking it out. It's a nice playground.
It would never fit.
No, they put in a really nice playground.
They always had that.
There's a ramp, so anybody can get on it and then go down the slide. Although I'm not really sure the dogs are really supposed to go on the playground. Buster's scared.
He'll be fine.
Oh, Taylor Ann, don't do that. He's scared.
Here we go.
All right, there you go.
Wait, I'm gonna break my leg.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna break my leg.
That'd be bad.
Break your leg.
Shadow, what do you think?
It's weird.
It's okay.
Oh, it's really bumpy. Ready?
It's gonna bump your butt.
Come on, Shadow.
It's really bumpy. Ah! Grab her leash. Watch your butt. It's a bumpy slide. Look at the bumps on the slide. Why are they so bumpy?
Oh, my phone. Oh, God, don't show mom.
Ah! I'm all sideways. Ready? Is it good, Shadow? You used to play on this big field for your birthday parties. We had birthday parties right over there in the woods.
Come on, Taylor.
I'm not running. Oh, nice picnic area. It's just first come, first serve. We've had lots of birthday parties here. It's a beautiful place to have a spring birthday party. They've got grills, lots of picnic tables, and this huge open field so you can play. It does look like a maze. A little bitty maze. Where'd they go? I can hear them.
Blue blazes?
So this is the Mountains to Sea Trail next to Falls Lake at Blue Jay Point County Park in Wake County, North Carolina. It's a really nice trail. It's well marked with white blazes, and it's pretty much like a single file trail, but you can walk with a small group. It's really nice. You can take your dogs. Just make sure you clean up after your dogs. So far has been a lot of dogs being silly, girls being silly, and us being out in the woods. She says it's too deep.
We need a stick.
Go get it.
Go get that. Go get that. Come on, go get it. Let's go.
She's such a puppy. She's like, I don't know.
Push her.
She says, oh no, I'm really wet. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. I'm having fun. We're almost halfway through.
Almost halfway through.
Yeah.
And we're going to go do some more walking in the woods.
Yeah. And then eat food. And
Go
you're ready
eat
for
food.
Thanksgiving. Woohoo! We have to stretch our stomachs. Whoop, whoop. No shadows.
What do you want to eat?
Cherry pie.
Ooh.
I don't know. Make pie.
I don't know if we're going to have cherry pie.
I'll make pie. I'll make it happen. Or I'll eat bread with cherry pie topping on top. Will someone make me a cherry pie? I'll do it. Cool. Okay, and then I'm excited for rolls. I'm excited for mac and cheese and broccoli. Like cheesy broccoli. And mashed potatoes. And I'm really excited for cranberry sauce. I'm excited for food, just in general. All of the food.
Puppies. We're on a field trip on our day off of school. Woohoo! Woo! Woo!
Taylor.
Taylor!
But this